Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to replace the reading light or the yeah. So what you can find here is that it's impossible that you can take off these two things, the covers, as usual. So you need to pull this out, unplug the plugs for the microphone and for the lights. Then there is 4 bolts. You take them off. Then there is retainers on each side, so you can do like that. Then like this. This is the way back, and then you take the Phillips screwdriver, put everything back in place. Don't tie it too much because it's a plastic, so you tighten it in a way that is just enough to hold it like that, and this one like this. Okay, and this is this is for Kia Sorento 2016, I believe, and I guess all other models is the same until 2020. So if you have a burn or lamp out, that is for the they call it the magazine light or the reading light. So what you do now, the way back is just to put the plug like this, like that, and like this. And then you put this here, like that, and you are all done. Thank you for watching.